Hi, we're at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a Gooseneck 7x18 equipment trailer. At the front we have our heavy-duty Gooseneck jack with your safety chains and breakaway cable. The front of this trailer has your two heavy-duty 12,000-pound jacks. This trailer does come with pressure-treated wood flooring as well as stake pockets and tie-down points along the side of your trailer. There are heavy-duty diamond plate fenders as well as the King Kong ramps. These King Kong ramps are the smaller version. There are LED brake lights. This equipment trailer is also a dovetail. There are two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer does have an 8-inch I-beam frame. Once again, this is a 7x18 Gooseneck equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.